Hey guys, what's up? It is a BoxyCharm unboxing. I haven't done these for a while on my channel just because there's been a lot of internet issues in my household. Mostly my daughter's was dating, and was taking up all the time video chatting. Now that sadly that's over, at least I could film again. So let's jump right in. I have cut this open. That's it. That's what the box looks like. Okay, we're gonna jump right in. Jump right in. What is this? Good gravy. Caribbean Queen, or Caribbean Queen, however you guys want to say it. There's all the goodies and all the deets, and I kind of like that. That's kind of neat. I like that. That's cool. All right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Ooh. Luxie brushes. Oh, look at that. That's exciting. I love Luxie brushes. And it comes in this cool bag that having fake nails, or not fake nails, but gel nails, I can't get into today. Oh, there we go. Nope, I got it. I got it. No, I don't. Yes, I do. 2, come on. 3. All right. So that's what those look like. I love Luxie brushes. See if any of them shed, and they don't. Wow, precision foundation. Ooh, highlight brush. Oh, yes, please. And duo fiber powder brush. Cool. Now I just gotta get some powder to use with it. Cause I'm out. All right, so this 3-piece flawless complexion retails for $42. That's a lot. Oh, they smell. Handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. I like this one the most, I think. Precision foundation. This one just feels... Oh, it is shedding. Yay. I don't like that one. But I love Luxie brushes. I really do. So I'm super excited to get those. I would not pay $42 for these. I'm gonna be upfront and totally honest about that. Would not spend $42 on that. That is just insane to me, which is why I'm glad I get Luxie brushes in my BoxyCharm, so I don't have to buy them. Next up is the Sol. Oh Lord. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. And you say fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Well, yeah, we'll see about that. My skin needs all the help it can get. Okay, so. Ooh, points. It's sealed. Look. It's sealed. Points. Yay. Alright, what's it say? Brazilian Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel the smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. This retails for $10. So that's not bad. That's cute. That is like super freaking cute. I like that. Score. Next. Ooh, what's this? This, oh, it's the Jaunt Blue eyeliner pencil. It's not supposed to be 2, right? Just 1? Okay, just 1. Alright, cool. Alright, this shows picture 2, so I just want to make sure. This is 100% vegan, waterproof eyeliner pencil, glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. This is $5. It's a nice, affordable pencil. Just your standard, you know, pencil. Alright, let's go here. Actually, this feels really good. Soft and creamy. Goes on really, really nice. Cool. I'm down with it. I don't have a brown eyeliner. I don't, huh? Amazing. Oh, it's an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Verona. Nice. I love Ofra liquid lips. Let's see. Ooh. Hello. Very nice. Oh, I will so totally use that. Oh, it smells good too. I don't even know what it smells like, but it smells good. Ofra long lasting liquid lip retails for $21. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. Love my Ofra liquid lipsticks. Cool. Okay, this... Oh, are these the lashes? They are the lashes. Okay, these are by Baddington Lashes. Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. And I like the box. Like, look at that. And then that's what they look like. That's pretty. Oh, those are so pretty. Those are so pretty. Those are probably going to stay right in the box because I can't do lashes. Save my life. Those, let's see here. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Those retail for $28, y'all. $28. I've never spent that much on lashes, ever, nor would I, because, like I said, I can't do it. Very cool. Okay, and the last thing in here is the Almar. This beautiful palette features high 8-ly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm and richness of creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. Cool! The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. So this is also $28. That's cute! This is the Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. And I promise to never try and pronounce that ever again. Ooh, I love the packaging though. Does it fold all the way back? It does! Look at the packaging. And then, look you guys. Can you see those colors? Okay, I'm instantly drawn to Cecilia, which has a water droplet. Ooh. Alright, let's do it. Yes. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Yes. My God, that is so pretty. Okay, what next? What next? Ooh, we're gonna do this guy. Right here. This is called Guantanamera. And it's got a sun symbol, so it's a dry application. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Y'all know I hate swatching, but oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Okay, I have blue eyes. So Cocoa Taxi is the one we're going to go to now. We're just going to go right in. That's what it looks like by itself. Right here. Let's do it again. I'm super freaking excited for this. Like, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys, to try this. This is going to be what I'm going to play with tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow. I'm going to play with this new palette. I'm so excited. Okay, that was a pretty good month. That was a pretty good... That made it for last month. Last month, I was like, oh, God, this sucks. I was not excited for a single thing that came in my BOXY last month. Not one. Super excited for that. Can't wait to try it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you guys think of BOXY this month. Subscribe if you haven't. Would love to have you as part of my viewing family. Give this video a thumbs up. Give me all the likes you want. That would be awesome. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload something. I'm gonna try to be a lot more consistent than I have been. Not saying a schedule because work makes me change everything. So we're just gonna try and do it as much as we can. So until next time, you guys, bye.